All right, you guys, welcome back. This is Bakari So Real back again with a So Real trading video. Hey man, it's day 65 as you see in the title. And and man, what a hell of a week. What a hell of a week, guys. What a hell of a week. Go back and watch my previous video that only has a few views. I called a buy. I told you guys, I said, in my opinion, it's not financial advice, but in my opinion, we're gonna buy from here. I said, in my opinion, I'm thinking it's going to go up from here. And look what it did, guys. It went up. The only thing is, this whole move, this whole move that you see on this candlestick only took one day. And that's the only problem. That's the only problem is that this candlestick right here only took one day. But what this did was this confirmed. This put us above this hex trend line that I have. Candlestick popped above it in one day, in less than 24 hours. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy how you can literally go from trading this range for 2 months. We were trading in this range for 2 months, y'all. And during that 2 months, any moment could have been like this moment that happened. And that's the hard part about trading, bro. That's the hard part about trading. That's why I always try to have like a swing trading mentality versus a day trading mentality. But now I'm getting better and I'm learning how to implement both day trading and swing trading together. And and man, we just getting started, y'all. We just getting started. But this move was a 169-point move. Gold moved up 169 points in one day. Um, so hopefully you guys are profitable for the week. Hopefully you guys are not over trading like me. I'm still struggling with over trading. I'm trading right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm trading right now. I'm trying to secure this position. Uh, and I promise you what, next week I'm not gonna be trading that much. I just need to secure this position because this might be the very bottom, y'all. This might be the very bottom before we start seeing higher prices. We might not see 4,100 until probably towards the end of the year. We might not see 4,100 again toward until the end of the year, y'all. Like, I don't think this daily candlestick is gonna get taken out. The bottom of this daily candlestick is at 4,070. I don't think this daily candlestick is gonna get taken out. And you guys are hearing it live from me. It's not financial advice. Nothing I say is guaranteed. It's only my opinion. But you guys are hearing it live from me on day 65 that I don't think this daily candlestick is going to get taken out at 40.70. I think we're going to continue going higher. This is a swing trade that we can hold um, at least until like we can hold this for a while as long as the crazy part is I took some profits at 40.70 that I probably regret taking now because it would have been so much more of a peace of mind if I would have just held on right here where I was buying at 40.70. It would have been so much more of a peace of mind if I would have just held on around 40.70 and just moved my stop loss. I messed up. I got excited. I didn't know how high it was going to go for the day. And depending on how high it was going to go for the day, kind of would have depended on where we were going to go for the rest of the week or for the rest of the month. Because if we would have stopped at 161, that's still in this middle sell zone. That's still in this middle sell zone. Or if we would have got rejected at 4,200, if we would have got rejected at 4,200, that's still getting rejected from our sell zone. But since we had a strong candlestick that popped above 42.50 and went all the way above our resistance, and it popped above and then went all the way to 4,300. That was a strong sign of bullishness. That was a strong sign that buyers are in. That was a strong sign that the market got what it needed from here. And I don't think it'd be worth it for us to go down, because if we would have went down, yeah, some buyers would have got would have got hit, but a lot of buyers would have been ready to buy at 3,800. So the market ripped up without people being able to really get a chance to buy. Now people are second guessing. Now people are trying to find the right position. Now people are not sure if it's going to be swing trading. It's still a lot of people still calling sells. It's still a lot of people still believing that the market's going to sell off. Um, but yeah, man. Now the question is, are we going to get a lower high or a higher high from this level? The question is, are we going to get a lower high around 4,800, or are we going to get a higher high past 5,500? We know that we got to come down eventually. We know that we got to come down eventually. If we go up past 5,500, it's going to be hard for us to come down like so quick. It's going to take a while, but yeah, man. Take this down a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can hear the lawnmower in the background, but they're doing the lawn outside. And as we speak, I have a buy position that's going up from here, looking like it's being secure. We really just need to get above 42.80. And it's just crazy, man, what can happen in one day. This is why we got to stay sharp, man. This is why we got to stay sharp, and we got to continue to execute. So my goal, I got a goal for how much I wanted to make this month and how many points I wanted to catch this month. And I'll tell you guys, I could have achieved my goal in one day. Hold on one second. Hold on. I had to close the window. People loud outside mowing the lawn. But yeah, as I was saying, I could achieve my goal in one day, y'all. And one day I could have hit my goal for the month. And that just goes to show, like, before that day happened, I got this whole plan. Before that day happened, I got this whole plan. Like, yeah, this is how much I need to do in a month. I can flip this each month and it can compound through compound interest. As long as I could do this each month, it compound through compound interest. So then boom, when the daily candlestick went up and we started going up from 40.70 to like 4,100, then to 40.25, I was already like well above my daily goal and well above my weekly goal. I closed out. I was like, all right, I'm gonna get out. But I wasn't thinking about the fact that this is a swing position. I wasn't thinking about the fact that I could have held right here for this swing position. I wasn't thinking about the fact that the daily candlestick still hasn't closed yet. I mean, I was thinking about the fact that the daily candlestick still hasn't closed, but I wasn't sure where it was going to close at. I just knew it was going to close, so I didn't want it to close below 41.25. I didn't want it to close below what I've already made. So I was just like, all right, I'm gonna get out from here. Um, but if I would have just held till the daily close, I would have, bro. I'm telling you guys, I would have hit my monthly goal in one day on Tuesday. I would hit my monthly goal, y'all. So it just goes to show like the goals that I have for the next 6 months can happen a lot sooner if I just get my mind right, get my energy right, and see these positions, see these opportunities, and really execute on these opportunities. I can really hit my 6 month goal in 3 months. I can hit my 9 month goal in 6 months. Like I can hit these goals faster than I realize. But the thing is, here's what fucks you up. Here's what fucks you up. You guys got to be careful is that you still want to stick to your normal plan. So if you have a normal plan of, okay, this is how much I want to hit each day, this is how much I want to hit each week, this is how much I want to hit each month. You still have to have that plan, but then once you have that plan, learn how to let some trades roll. Learn how to see the opportunities and where now it's just about like basically finding the balance. Learn how to see the opportunities and where, okay, this when you hit a trade that's taking off, or let's say you do a sell trade and that sell trade is dropping real good and you're in profits on a sell, you should have discernment. You should be sharp. This is why trading is about you versus you. This is why trading is about the psychology of how good of a person are you? How good of a trader are you? Because when your trades get in profit real fast, you need to have discernment on knowing, okay, is this a trade that I should close out on? Is this a trade that I think will potentially reverse on me? Or is this a trade that I can let run? And that's what we got to find the balance is letting trades run or discerning on whether or not trades need to be closed out or not, you know? Um, and I'm telling you guys, bro, you guys will be amazing traders, bro. It's really not that trading is really not that hard. It just takes discipline. It takes strategic. It takes willpower. It takes want. You gotta want it. It takes patience. You gotta have patience. Um, it takes confidence. You gotta have confidence in your trades. That's another thing. You gotta have confidence in your trades. I wasn't confident enough. I wasn't confident enough that this one daily candlestick was gonna burst out. And I think it was mainly because we spent 2 months. We spent 2 months of just going sideways, So I wasn't confident enough about a 169 point move because it's been a while since we've seen a 169 point move. Um, so just keep having that confidence, man. Keep staying disciplined. This is the man. I'm just gonna say it again. This is the time where if you guys lock in with me, I'm on day 65. Wait till we get to day 90. Wait till we get to day 90. And I don't even post every day, but I want y'all to know if I don't post that day, I'm still trading. Like when this big daily candlestick moved, I didn't even have time to like I had stuff going on during that day as well. So I didn't really post. I didn't post yesterday. I didn't even post about it yesterday. But best believe I caught profits on it. Best believe I was trading. Best believe I was doing my market analysis. You get what I'm saying? So this is every day, y'all. This is every day. I'm already on day 90, y'all. Man, I've been trading for a year straight. I'm already on day 400. But that's not the point. The point is staying consistent and sharing this with y'all. The point is showing you guys, showing real shit, like really, for real. Like the point is showing you guys that I could do 450 days of consistent posting, consistent sharing my market analysis. That's the point. And if you're still watching this video right now, that's a reminder that shows that you are serious about trading. That shows that you understand everything that I'm saying. And congrats to you because right now I got some more information. This is live right now. I usually make my videos when the market stops between 2 and 3 p.m. before the next daily candlestick opens. I usually make my videos, but I'm recording this video live right now And we got this daily candlestick that's barely moved. It popped up to 4,300 with a top wick. A lot of people probably thought it was going to go down halfway. I'm not going to lie, I kind of did. But after seeing this gap over here back in June, I think that we're going to close this gap for the day. So we might have 4 consecutive uh bullish days. I think we might have 4 consecutive bullish days. I think this daily candlestick might go up past 4,300. We got 2 hours. We got 2 hours. This candlestick is already above the daily close, the previous daily close, which is 24, which is 42, 42, 48. 42.48. I think this daily candlestick right here, this little doji bar candlestick, I think this is gonna close bullish, and it could close anywhere above 42.50 or 42.60. It could close anywhere above 42.60 within the next 2 hours. Within the next 2 hours. If this daily candlestick closes above 42.60 within the next 2 hours, I do believe Friday will be bearish. I do believe Friday will be bearish, but Friday doesn't open until tomorrow. Wait, no. Friday opens at 3 p.m. Friday opens at 3 p.m. So we're going to see what this candlestick does for the next 2 hours. Hopefully it closes bullish. And then if it closes bullish, we know Friday most likely will be bearish. So whatever price this daily candlestick closes at, we know that most likely Friday will close below that price. All right. So you guys are hearing that live from me. This is just for educational purposes only. All right. Um, yeah, man. I want to wish you guys nothing but much love, much abundance, much peace, much prosperity, much joy, much success, all that, man. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Boom.